Woodpecker's Full Throttle Blast Gate. The Full Throttle Blast Gate is a must-have for anyone who uses a table saw. It helps to control the dust and chips that are produced when you're cutting wood, and it can also help to prevent kickbacks. The blast gate is made of high-quality aluminum, and it's designed to fit most table saws. It has a wide opening that allows for plenty of dust and chips to escape, and it also has a built-in dust collection port that can be connected to a vacuum cleaner. The blast gate is very easy to install. Simply attach it to the side of your table saw and then adjust the opening to the desired size. The blast gate is a great way to keep your work area clean and safe, and it's a must-have for any serious woodworker. Woodpecker's Adjustable Setup Block. The adjustable setup block is a great way to ensure that your workpieces are square and aligned. It's adjustable so you can use it for a variety of projects. The setup block is made of high-quality aluminum, and it has a number of features that make it a very versatile tool. It has a built-in square, so you can easily check the squareness of your workpieces. It also has a number of different stops that you can use to align your workpieces. The setup block is very easy to use. Simply place it on your workpiece and then adjust the stops to the desired position. The setup block will help to ensure that your workpieces are square and aligned, which will make your woodworking projects easier and more accurate. Woodpeckers Spline Jig. The spline jig is a great way to make spline joints. Spline joints are strong and attractive, and they're a great way to join two pieces of wood together. The spline jig is made of high-quality aluminum, and it's very easy to use. Simply place the jig on your workpieces and then cut the splines to the desired length. The jig will help to ensure that the splines are cut to the correct size and angle, which will make your spline joints strong and accurate. The spline jig is a great addition to any woodworker's toolkit. It's a simple tool, but it can make a big difference in the quality of your spline joints. Woodpecker's ThinRip Guide. The ThinRip Guide is a great way to make thin rips on your table saw. It helps to ensure that your cuts are straight and accurate. The ThinRip Guide is made of high-quality aluminum, and it's very easy to use. Simply attach the guide to your table saw and then adjust the fence to the desired width. The guide will help to keep your workpiece aligned, which will make your cuts straight and accurate. The ThinRip Guide is a great tool for making thin rips. It's easy to use, and it can help you to make accurate cuts. Woodpecker's Straddle Squares. These squares are a great way to check the squareness of your workpieces. They're also great for marking out lines on your workpieces. The straddle squares are made of high-quality aluminum, and they're very accurate. They have a long reach, so you can use them to check the squareness of large workpieces. The straddle squares also have a built-in marking gauge, so you can easily mark out lines on your workpieces. The straddle squares are a great addition to any woodworker's toolkit. They're accurate and versatile, and they can help you to make your woodworking projects easier and more accurate. Woodpecker's StableMax Trim Router Base. This router base is a great way to improve the accuracy of your router cuts. It's made of high-quality materials and it's very stable. The StableMax Trim Router Base is made of aluminum, and it has a number of features that make it very stable. It has a large base that helps to distribute the weight of the router, and it also has a number of anti-vibration features that help to keep the router steady. The StableMax Trim Router Base is a great way to improve the accuracy of your router cuts. It's stable and easy. Woodpecker's Xpander Clamp System. This clamp system is a great way to clamp down large workpieces. It's very versatile and it can be used for a variety of projects. The Xpander clamp system is made of high-quality aluminum and it's very versatile. It can be used to clamp down workpieces of all shapes and sizes, and it can also be used to clamp workpieces together. The Xpander clamp system is a great addition to any woodworker's toolkit. It's versatile and easy to use, and it can help you to clamp down your workpieces securely. Woodpeckers Corner Jig. This jig is a great way to make perfect corners. It's easy to use and it's very accurate. The corner jig is made of high-quality aluminum and it's very easy to use. Simply place the jig on your workpieces and then cut the corners to the desired angle. The jig will help to ensure that the corners are cut to the correct angle, which will make your corners perfect. The corner jig is a great addition to any woodworker's toolkit. It's easy to use and it can help you to make perfect corners. Woodpecker's Equal Space Divider. This divider is a great way to mark out equal spaces on your workpieces. It's very accurate, and it's easy to use. The Equal Space Divider is made of high-quality aluminum, and it's very easy to use. Simply set the divider to the desired spacing, and then mark out your workpieces. The divider will help to ensure that your marks are evenly spaced, which will make your projects look more professional. The Equal Space Divider is a great addition to any woodworker's toolkit. It's easy to use, and it can help you to make your projects look more professional. Woodpecker's 6-in-1 Pocket Gauge. This gauge is a great all-in-one tool. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including measuring, marking, and checking for squareness. The 6-in-1 pocket gauge is made of high-quality aluminum, and it has a number of features that make it a very versatile tool. It has a built-in square, a depth gauge, and a marking gauge. It also has a number of other features that make it a very useful tool. The 6-in-1 pocket gauge is a great addition to any woodworker's toolkit. It's versatile and easy to use, and it can help you to make your woodworking projects easier and more accurate. Woodpeckers Joint Bridge. Clamping Pad Set. The Joint Bridge clamping pad set is a great way to ensure that your panel glue-ups are flat and square. The pads are made of glass-reinforced polycarbonate, which is very strong and durable. They are also very easy to use. Simply place the pads on your workpieces and then clamp them down. The pads will help to distribute the clamping pressure evenly, which will prevent your panels from cupping or twisting. The Joint Bridge clamping pad set includes 4 pads of different sizes, so you can use them for a variety of projects. The pads are also very versatile. You can use them to clamp down panels, to make templates, or even to protect your work surface. Woodpecker's Deluxe Trammel System. The Deluxe Trammel System is a great way to make accurate circles and arcs. The system includes a trammel bar, a variety of trammel points, and a trammel guide. The trammel bar is made of aluminum, and it is very strong and durable. The trammel points are made of hardened steel, and they are very sharp. The trammel guide is made of plastic, and it helps to keep the trammel points in place. The Deluxe Trammel System is very easy to use. Simply attach the trammel bar to your workpiece, and then select the appropriate trammel point. The trammel point will help you to mark out the circle or arc accurately. The trammel guide will help to keep the trammel points in place, so you can make smooth, accurate cuts. Woodpecker Steady Curve Band Saw Template Guide. The Steady Curve Band Saw Template Guide is a great way to make accurate curved cuts on your band saw. The guide is made of aluminum, and it is very strong and durable. It is also very easy to use. Simply attach the guide to your band saw, and then clamp your template in place. The guide will help to keep your template in place, and it will also help to ensure that your cuts are accurate. The Steady Curve Bandsaw Template Guide is very versatile. You can use it to cut a variety of curves, including circles, arcs, and spirals. The guide is also very easy to adjust, so you can make precise cuts. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.